Welcome to our special presentation where we uncover the hidden biological reasons why women over 60 often struggle with thinning hair. Many believe hair loss is just genetic, but often it is a desperate cry for help from your internal biological system. Today we will decode the message your body is sending you and learn how to answer that call with natural solutions. The core message is simple, yet profound. Hair loss is not a mistake, but a signal that your body is prioritizing survival. The biggest mistake many women make is unintentionally starving their hair at a cellular level through restrictive diets and poor habits. We call this cellular starvation, a condition where your body has enough calories to survive, but not enough nutrients to thrive. Decades of avoiding fats and eating too little have created a cumulative deficit that manifests dramatically when we reach our 60s. This chronic lack of essential building blocks forces your body to make difficult choices about where to send its limited resources. To understand hair loss, you must understand the hierarchy of survival. Your body cares about keeping you alive, not looking good. Hair is biologically classified as non-essential tissue. It is not required for your heart to beat or your lungs to breathe. When resources are scarce due to stress or poor diet, the body ruthlessly cuts off the supply lines to your scalp. This is a protective mechanism. Your body is smart. It sacrifices the luxury of hair to ensure the survival of vital organs. If you are experiencing hair loss, view it as a red flag warning you that your internal reserves are critically low. One major culprit behind this nutrient deficiency is the digestive system. As we age, our stomach acid levels naturally begin to decline. Without sufficient stomach acid, you cannot properly break down proteins or absorb essential minerals like iron and zinc from your food. You might be eating healthy foods, but if your digestion is weak, those nutrients are passing right through you without being used. Ironically, many treat indigestion with antacids, which further reduces stomach acidity and makes the nutrient absorption problem significantly worse for hair health. Hair is made almost entirely of protein. If you cannot absorb amino acids, your body simply cannot construct strong, healthy hair strands. Beyond digestion, we must address the silent killer of hair follicles, chronic stress and the constant production of the hormone cortisol. When you are stressed, your body enters a fight or flight mode. This state is biologically expensive and demands immense nutritional resources. Stress burns through your reserves of B vitamins and magnesium at an alarming rate, leaving nothing left for your hair follicles. Furthermore, high cortisol levels cause blood vessels to constrict, physically blocking the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the scalp area. This creates a vicious cycle where stress depletes nutrients, causes hair loss, and the hair loss itself creates even more emotional stress. Let's examine the tea and toast syndrome. This is a common dietary pattern among older women that directly leads to malnutrition. A diet consisting mainly of carbohydrates and caffeine provides quick energy but zero structural materials for building hair, skin, or nails. Even those trying to be healthy often eat plain salads without protein or fat, mistakenly thinking this is good for weight control. However, many essential vitamins for hair growth are fat-soluble. Without dietary fat, your body cannot absorb these vitamins from your vegetables. Starving your body of healthy fats results in dry, brittle hair that breaks before it can grow to a significant length. Now that we understand the problem, let us focus on the solution. We must shift from a mindset of restriction to nourishment. First, prioritize protein at every meal. Eggs are nature's multivitamin for hair, packed with biotin and the amino acids your hair needs. Incorporate beans, lentils, and seeds. These provide not just protein, but also the iron and zinc that are crucial for hair follicles. Do not fear fats. Add extra virgin olive oil and avocados to your diet. These healthy fats are essential for hormone balance. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines offer omega-3s, which reduce inflammation in the scalp and provide the oils needed for shiny hair. Dark leafy greens are your best source of minerals. However, remember to eat them with a fat source to ensure maximum absorption. Beyond what you eat, how you eat matters. You must chew your food thoroughly to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes naturally. Chewing is the first step of digestion. It signals your stomach to prepare acid, ensuring you extract every gram of nutrition available. Consider a small glass of water with lemon or apple cider vinegar before meals to naturally boost your stomach's acidity for better digestion. To physically encourage hair growth, commit to a 5-minute scalp massage every day. This simple habit is more powerful than expensive serums. Massage mechanically increases blood circulation, forcing nutrient-rich blood to reach the dormant hair follicles and waking them up from their slumber. We must also address the stress factor. You need to switch your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and digest. Your body needs to feel safe. Only when it feels secure and nourished will it allocate resources back to non-essential functions like hair. Prioritize sleep as a medical necessity. It is during deep sleep that your body repairs tissues and balances the hormones that affect hair. Gentle exercise like walking in nature lowers cortisol levels effectively, signaling to your body that the emergency is over and healing can begin. Swap that second cup of coffee for herbal tea. Reducing caffeine intake helps preserve your magnesium stores and keeps your adrenal glands calm. When you combine proper nutrition, digestion support, and stress management, you create the perfect biological environment for your hair to regrow. This is not an overnight fix. It takes time for the body to trust that the famine is over, but results will come. Remember the key pillars: increased protein, healthy fats, digestive support, and stress reduction. These are your tools for reclaiming your hair health. Be patient with yourself. Your hair loss took years to develop, so allow your body a few months to reverse the damage. You are not alone in this journey. Thousands of women have restored their vitality by simply listening to what their bodies need. True beauty comes from vitality. When you nourish your body correctly, your hair becomes a reflection of your inner health and resilience. Stop starving your hair. Feed it with the building blocks of life, and it will reward you with strength, shine, and volume. Create a safe harbor for your body. Let go of chronic stress and allow your biological resources to flow freely to your hair. Movement, nutrition, and mindset are the triad of health. Balance these three and you solve not just hair loss, but aging itself. Small changes add up. A handful of pumpkin seeds daily can provide the zinc needed to stop hair shedding and start regrowth. Consider bone broth as a soothing addition to your diet. It is packed with collagen and amino acids that are easily digestible. Track your protein intake for a week. You might be surprised to find you are eating far less than the required amount. A healthy liver is also crucial. By reducing sugar and processed foods, you unburden your liver, allowing it to support hair growth. Externally, be gentle. Avoid harsh chemicals that strip natural oils. Treat your hair like fine silk that needs delicate care and handling. Brush your hair gently, starting from the ends and working your way up. This prevents mechanical damage to already fragile hair strands. Protect your scalp from UV radiation. Just like your skin, your scalp ages with sun exposure, which can damage the hair follicles. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Include citrus fruits and bell peppers to help your body build the structure of hair. Hydration is often overlooked. Your hair cells need water to function. Aim for adequate hydration to keep the hair shaft flexible. If natural methods do not help, consult a doctor to check your thyroid. Thyroid imbalances are a common hidden cause of hair loss. However, for most women, the solution lies in the kitchen and lifestyle changes we have discussed today. Nutrition is the primary medicine. Make food a celebration, not a chore. Enjoy the process of nourishing yourself. The joy of eating also aids in better digestion. Eat the rainbow. The more color on your plate, the wider the range of antioxidants you provide to protect your hair follicles. Watch for the small signs of recovery. Less hair in the shower drain and baby hairs appearing at the hairline are victories. Reclaiming your hair is about reclaiming your confidence. It is a signal to the world that you are healthy, vibrant, and thriving. Never blame your body. It has been working hard to keep you safe. Now, simply give it the resources it has been missing. Supplements can help, but they cannot replace a poor diet. Focus on whole foods first, as nature packages nutrients perfectly for absorption. Reduce sugar intake. High blood sugar causes inflammation and glycation, which can damage the proteins in your hair and cause premature aging. Choose smart snacks. Walnuts and almonds are excellent for hair due to their content of vitamin E and healthy omega fatty acids. Iron is particularly critical. Without enough iron, your blood cannot carry enough oxygen to the scalp, literally suffocating the hair root. If you eat plant-based iron, always pair it with vitamin C. This simple trick can triple the amount of iron you absorb. Embrace your age with grace. Healthy silver hair is stunning. The goal is thickness and vitality, not necessarily changing your natural color. Think of this as a lifestyle overhaul, not a quick diet. These habits will protect your heart, bones, and brain as well. The beautiful side effect of eating for your hair is that your entire body benefits. You will feel more energetic and focused. Imagine looking in the mirror 6 months from now and seeing the results of your dedication. It is entirely possible for you. Start today with your next meal. Add an egg, some spinach, or a slice of avocado. Every bite is a step forward. Don't forget spices. Turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation system-wide, creating a calmer environment for your hair follicles to do their work. Try to finish eating early in the evening. This allows your body to focus on repair and detoxification during the night hours. Nature does not rush, yet everything is accomplished. Adopt the pace of nature. Consistency is far more important than intensity or speed. If you know other women struggling with this issue, share this knowledge. We can empower each other to age with strength and beauty. Review the 4 pillars: nutrition, digestion, stress management, and circulation. Keep these in balance and your body will thank you immensely. Your body is an amazing machine capable of regeneration. It is never too late to start caring for it the right way. Just as spring returns after a long winter, your hair can return after a period of thinning. Believe in your body's potential. Find your peace. Stress is the enemy of hair growth. Whatever brings you calm is medicine for your hair and your soul. Knowledge is power. By understanding the why behind your hair loss, you can confidently execute the how to fix it permanently. Reject the culture of restrictive dieting. Your body needs abundance, not scarcity, to maintain the luxurious tissues like hair and skin. Whether you eat meat or plants, ensure you get enough complete protein. It is the non-negotiable building block of every hair strand. A well-nourished scalp holds on to hair longer. You will notice less shedding as the follicles become stronger and more resilient over time. The day you look at your brush and see it clean is the day you know your body feels safe and nourished. Add berries to your breakfast. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your hair follicles from oxidative stress and environmental damage. Be mindful of alcohol. It depletes B vitamins and dehydrates you. Moderation is key to maintaining the nutrient reserves your hair needs. The gut-brain connection is real. When you heal your digestion, you lower your stress, creating a positive feedback loop for hair growth. Try breathing exercises. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This instantly lowers cortisol levels in your blood. Get your biotin from food, not just pills. Egg yolks and almonds are superior sources that your body recognizes and absorbs easily. Listen to your body. If a food makes you bloated, avoid it. Inflammation in the gut will eventually reflect as inflammation in the scalp. Collagen is the scaffolding of your skin and hair. Bone broth and vitamin C are your best tools to boost natural production. Shop the perimeter of the grocery store. That is where the fresh, real food lives. Avoid the processed aisles in the center. Eliminate processed vegetable oils that cause inflammation. Stick to traditional fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and butter for cooking your meals. Give this protocol at least 3 to 6 months. Hair grows slowly, and it takes time for the new, healthy growth to appear. Share this wisdom with the younger women in your life too. Prevention is always easier than cure when it comes to hair loss. Practice gratitude for your body. It has carried you through decades of life. Treat it with the respect and love it deserves. You have the power to change your health destiny. Your hair is waiting for you to provide the nourishment it desperately needs. Feed your hair, heal your digestion, calm your mind. These are the simple yet powerful steps to restoring your crowning glory. Do not be overwhelmed. Pick one habit to start with today. Maybe it is the scalp massage, or maybe it is the extra egg. Consistency will yield results. You will see the change not just in your hair, but in your energy levels and overall vitality. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you science-backed insights for living well. Like this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content to help women age with dignity. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. We honor your commitment to your health and your journey to wellness. Subscribe to www.youtube.com/@livewellinsights19 for more insights on living well. Healing starts from within, so begin your journey today.